Today we're going to explore an exciting concept that are shaping how companies like Google, Apple, and Airbnb solve problems like by the help of design thinking concept. And you all know about design thinking. You had a small idea about it. Let us see in detail. So, design thinking is a powerful human-centered approach that blends empathy, creativity, and problem solving. It is not about making the products, it is about the understanding of people and identifying their needs and also designing solutions that truly work for them. So, these three things are very important when you're developing a project or a product. It means that you have to understand the people needs and also you have to design the solution which is truly work for the people. So next let's see what is design thinking. So design thinking is built on three main characteristics. One is human centered, and next one is iterative, and third one is collaborative. So human centered is something that it starts with understanding the people who will use a product or a services, and iterative is something that it is a cycle which you test and get feedback and improve continuously quality about this product or a project what you develop. And the third thing is collaborative. It brings together the diverse minds, that means engineers or designers or users, to co create the solutions. So, in short, you can say it is not just a process but a mindset that encourages the experimentation and empathy. Next, let us see why we go for design thinking. So, here, why we go for design thinking is in today's fast changing world, companies must know to innovate to survive. So, design thinking is a foster this innovation by helping the teams to identify the user needs and generating the ideas and turn those needs into real solution. It is especially useful for solving wicked problems. That means a complex and unclear issues, which is whereas there is no single right answer. For example, let us take how do we make urban transport more sustainable, or how we improve an elderly care using an IoT. So, organization like Google, Apple, and Airbnb uses a design thinking to continuously redefine the user needs and stay ahead. So let us see about the five stages of design thinking. So what are the five stages of design thinking? It is empathize, define, ideate, and prototype and testing. So here, what is empathize? Empathize is something that you have to observe, engage, and immerse yourself in the user world. Watch how they interact and ask them questions, and also feel their challenges. And define as something that frame a clear problem statement based on the insights. Example, instead of saying we need a better hospital and waiting rooms, say patient feel anxious due to the lack of communication while we are waiting. So next is ideate, is a brainstorming a wide range of creative ideas. Remember, the quantity is over quality at first. So encourage a wild thinking before refining. Next is prototype. So prototype is turn the best idea into quick and low cost models and sketches and mock-ups and even a digital demos the goals in the learn fast. And the last stage is test. It gives get users feedbacks and find what works and what doesn't works, and also iterate again. And design thinking is all about learning by doing. So these are the five phases of design thinking. So empathy means understanding the user needs, that is you have to observe, engage, and immerse. And next, let us go for an activity. It's a brainstorming bliss. So goal is to quickly generate a wide range of ideas of problems or solvers and or challenges. And how you have to going to do is that you have to define a problem, which means present a specific problems or challenges to the team, and set a timer. So give a 5 minutes to brainstorm about, so that you can able to give a solution based on your five methods of DT. So and think you have to think outside the box and suspend judgment, and also build to each other ideas. So after 10 minutes you have to give me a generated ideas. So next is defining the problems. It's something is consolidate insights and define the problem and refine the scope. So these things will come under the define. And ideate is generating a creative solution, which means divergent thinking and collaborative ideation and quantity over quality. These are the main process of ideate. So Here, the main thing is quantity is over quality at first, and encourage a wild thinking before you are refining it. And prototyping is bringing ideas in life, that is rapid prototyping and gathering their feedback and iterating and improving, so that the goal is learn fast. Then the last thing is about testing, iterating and refining. So you have to get the user feedback and find what should work and what doesn't work and iterate it again, so that it is a learning process by doing. And let us see the anatomy of insights. So insights come from a deep observation. So you have to be detective, that is observe user behaviors and visualize the pattern and pain points, and build an empathy by walking in their shoes, and also prototype early and test fast. And mostly important is don't let go of your curiosity. So this is the autonomy of insights, and how let us see how to improve our insight generation in design thinking. Be detective, visualize, build empathy and prototyping, and don't let it go. And let us see the end goal of the design thinking. So the end goal of design thinking is desirable and feasible and also valuable. This is the end goal of design thinking. And let us see the key points. So you have to be empathetic, that is that you feel what user need, and you have to be collaborative, so value your perspective and be optimistic, believe every problem has a solution, and embrace ambiguity is something that not knowing the answer is okay. Be curious, keeping exploring why, and make tangible, that is visualize and build ideas, and take action is something that start small but not now. So let us see about let us go for an assignment based on this today's session. So so you saw about what is design thinking, what are the five phases of design thinking. Based on the assessment, you can able to recollect the session. So design thinking is most effective actually when focused on type of challenges as humans and problems. What is the following best challenges of design thinking is user-centered and iterative process. And next is what is the first step of design thinking is, you all know that it is empathize, and which one is not core principle of design thinking is immediate implementation. And I hope you all enjoyed this session, and you have a mind map session of this over entire topic, and you can go through it by clicking this drive link. And design thinking is not just a subject, it is a way of approaching lives and innovation, and how we technologies are more human centered and inclusive and impactful. Whether you are designing a mobile app or a smart IoT device or any social innovations, and remember, start with empathy and end with an action. So design thinking begins to understand the people and also end in the solution that makes the lives better. I hope you all enjoyed this topic, and if you have any clarification, feel free to contact me. Thank you.